Hi, kindergarten writers. So excited to see you today for Writers Workshop. You have been working so hard on persuasive writing, and today is our last day of persuasive writing. I can't wait to see the stories that you are going to write today. I think this is going to be a fun lesson for you. So I want you to think about something that you really wanted. Have you ever wanted something so bad? Maybe it was a pet. Maybe it was a toy. Maybe you wanted to go somewhere really bad or get a special snack. Think about what it was that you wanted so bad. Do you think that you could persuade someone to get it for you? Think about something that you wanted before and what did you have to do to get that? Or think of something new that you want. What could you do to get that? We're going to listen to a story called I Wanna Iguana. And in this story, this little boy is so persuasive. He uses multiple letters back and forth between him and his mom, trying to be very convincing. Let's read and find out if he gets an iguana. Here's our story. I wanna iguana. I wanna iguana. See that little boy looking in the tank at his pet iguana? Looks like he already has a dog. I don't know if I would want an iguana.
Dear Mom, I know you don't think I should have Mikey Gulligan's baby iguana when he moves, but here's why I should. If I don't take it, he's going to Stinky, and Stinky's dog, Lurch, will eat it. You don't want that to happen, do you? Signed, your sensitive son, Alex. Dear Alex, I'm glad you're so compassionate, but I doubt that Stinky's mother will let Lurch into the iguana's cage. Nice try, though. Love, Mom. See? Dear Mom, did you know that iguanas are really quiet? And they're cute too. I think they're much cuter than hamsters. Love, your adorable son, Alex. Dear Alex, tarantulas are quiet too, but I wouldn't want one as a pet. By the way, that iguana of Mikey's is uglier than Godzilla. Just thought I'd mention it. Love, Mom. Dear Mom, you would never even have to see the iguana. I'll keep his cage in my room on the dresser next to my soccer trophies. Plus, he's so small, I bet you'll never even know he's there. Love, a zillion and one kisses. Alex. Dear Alex, iguanas can grow to be over 6 feet long. You won't have enough space in your whole room, much less on your dresser, with or without your trophies. Love, Mom. Dear Mom, it takes 15 years for an iguana to get that big. Mikey told me. I'll be married by then and probably living in my own house. Love, your smart and mature kid, Alex. Dear Alex, how are you going to get a girl to marry you when you own a 6 foot long reptile? Love, your concerned mother. Dear Mom, forget the girl. I need a new friend now. This iguana can be the brother I've always wanted. Love, your lonely child, Alex. Dear Alex, you have a brother. Love, Mom. Dear Mom, I know I have a brother, but he's just a baby. What fun is that? If I had an iguana, I could teach it tricks and things. Ethan doesn't do tricks. He just burps and poops. Love, grossed out Alex. Dear Alex, how do I know you're ready for a pet? Remember what happened when you took home the class fish? Love, Mom. Dear Mom, if I knew the fish was going to jump into the spaghetti sauce, I never would have taken the cover off the jar. Love, your son who has learned his lesson. P.S. Iguanas don't like spaghetti. Dear Alex, let's say I let you have the iguana on a trial basis. What exactly would you do to take care of it? Love, Mom. Dear Mom, I would feed him every day. He eats lettuce. And I would make sure he had enough water. And I would clean his cage when it got messy. Love, responsible Alex. P.S. What's a trial basis? Dear Alex, a trial basis means Dad and I see how well you take care of him for a week or two before we decide if you can have him forever. Remember, Stinky and Lurch are waiting. Love, Mom. P.S. If you clean his cage as well as you clean your room, you're in trouble. Dear Mom, I'll really try to clean my room and the iguana's cage. Also, listen to this. I'll pay for the lettuce with my allowance. I mean, how much can one baby iguana eat anyway? Love, Alex, the financial wizard. Are you sure you want to do this, Alex? Yes, Mom. I wanna iguana. Please. Dear Alex, look on your dresser. Love, Mom. Yes! Thank you! Thank you!
Oh my goodness. Alex persuaded his mom to let him have a pet iguana. Wow. Now, kindergartners, today it is your chance. I want you to think hard. What is something that you really want? It doesn't have to be a pet or food or a game or a toy, okay? It doesn't have to be something you can hold or touch. You can be creative. What is something you really want? Do you think you could use persuasive writing to convince someone to do something that you wanted? First, I want you to think, what is it that I want? Or what is it that I think is really important? Maybe what you want is 5 minutes later of bedtime. Maybe what you want is your favorite cereal for breakfast instead of eggs. Maybe what you want is a pet or a toy or a snack. What is it that you want? Think about that. Now, just like in the story, Alex was very convincing. His mom didn't just say, "Yep, sounds good." Alex had to write and write and write and give lots and lots of reasons why he should have an iguana. You need to do that in your writing today also. And we know that Alex could write a lot. And I know that you are so smart. You can write a lot also. Make sure you can do your best writing. I know that you can write strong sentences. I know you can use capital letters and punctuation. And I know you can stretch your words. When you're done writing, don't forget to go back and edit. Editing is that important part where we reread our story. We fix our mistakes and we fancy it up so it looks beautiful. Today is our last day of persuasive writing. So I want you to think so hard about a great idea that you have, something that you want. And I want you to be so very convincing with your sentences. And I can't wait to see if you can be so convincing that you can persuade someone to get what you want. Thanks for coming to Writer's Workshop today, kindergartners. Can't wait to see and hear about your stories. Have a great day.